Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new episode on my channel, Bohemian Book Club. Today I'll be talking about the book, Think Straight, written by Darius Foroux. Darius Foroux is an investor, entrepreneur, blogger, podcast host, and writer in the personal development and personal finance space. In Think Straight, Darius Foroux offers a hands-on and perceptive manual for decluttering our minds, mastering prioritization, and honing clear thinking. Through a direct method, Foroux urges us to navigate through the distractions of modern life and seize command of our thoughts. He demonstrates that thinking clearly isn't merely an ability, but a conscious decision that equips us to craft a meaningful and satisfying existence. If you're prepared to conquer mental chaos and unleash your genuine capabilities, Think Straight is the empowering resource that will lead you towards clarity and achievement. Before moving ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 1: Clarity of Thought for Effective Decision Making. Foroux encourages readers to embrace mindfulness as a means to attain clear thinking. He suggests that being fully present in the moment helps sharpen focus and eliminate distractions, leading to more rational decision-making. For instance, he shares how his own practice of mindfulness meditation heightened his awareness of thoughts and emotions, resulting in improved decision-making skills. Another tactic outlined in the book is the significance of establishing definite goals and priorities. Foroux argues that having a clear direction enables filtering out irrelevant information and making decisions coherent with long-term objectives. He proposes crafting a personal mission statement, delineating core values and goals, serving as a compass for decision-making. Regularly revisiting and refining this statement aids in sustaining clear thinking and staying aligned with essential matters. Moreover, Foroux underscores the role of self-discipline in achieving mental clarity. He contends that self-discipline is crucial for maintaining focus and warding off distractions that impede clear thinking. For instance, he discusses the importance of cultivating healthy habits like sufficient sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. These practices optimize brain function and bolster cognitive abilities, facilitating clear thinking and prudent decision-making. Beyond individual strategies, Foroux stresses the significance of cultivating an environment conducive to clear thinking. He suggests decluttering physical and digital spaces to minimize distractions and foster an organized atmosphere. This reduces mental clutter, enabling concentration on tasks without being overwhelmed by external stimuli. Furthermore, Foroux advocates for surrounding oneself with individuals who enhance clarity of thought. He highlights the value of a supportive network that both encourages and intellectually challenges. Engaging in meaningful discussions and seeking feedback from trusted sources broadens perspectives and enriches thinking. To underscore the role of clear thinking in success, Foroux offers real-life examples of accomplished individuals, attributing their achievements to their ability to think straight. He shares the story of Warren Buffett, crediting Buffett's clarity of thought for his consistent success in the stock market. Buffett's knack for focusing on investment fundamentals amid noise has underpinned his profitable decision-making. Part 2: Overthinking Can Hinder Progress. Foroux illustrates his personal decision-making approach, beginning with problem or goal identification, followed by research and information gathering. This may involve consulting experts, reading, or online exploration. Setting a decision deadline is then crucial. He advises listing potential solutions, including seemingly unrealistic ones, to foster creativity and explore innovative ideas. Evaluating options against predetermined criteria like risks, rewards, and alignment with values ensures decisions serve long-term interests. Foroux stresses the importance of decisive action, urging commitment to chosen paths without constant doubt. Trusting instincts and avoiding over-analysis are key. Throughout the book, Foroux offers exercises and examples, advocating mindfulness to combat overthinking. Embracing failure and learning from mistakes are also crucial. Taking action entails risks, but failures can yield valuable lessons with a growth mindset. To listen to more interesting summaries, please subscribe to my channel. Part 3: Developing Mental Discipline and Embracing Simplicity. Foroux stresses the significance of establishing clear boundaries to reduce distractions, proposing methods like disabling phone and computer notifications, and allocating uninterrupted time for crucial tasks. This approach aids in eliminating constant interruptions that hinder concentration and clear thinking. For instance, rather than frequent social media checks, setting specific times for engagement permits connectivity without compromising focus. Additionally, Foroux advocates for decluttering to minimize unnecessary distractions. He suggests that physical clutter contributes to mental clutter, disrupting clear thinking and productivity. Using a messy workspace as an example, he illustrates how disorderly environments breed chaos and overwhelm, while organized spaces foster clarity and concentration. By tidying up physical surroundings, a conducive atmosphere for clear thinking and heightened productivity can be established. Furthermore, Foroux underscores the importance of task prioritization and the elimination of non-essential activities. He recommends creating a prioritized to-do list, focusing on tasks that significantly impact goals. By directing attention to high-priority tasks, wasteful expenditure of time and energy on insignificant activities can be avoided. For instance, instead of dedicating hours to low-value tasks like email checking or unnecessary meetings, emphasis can be placed on activities that propel progress towards objectives. Upon digesting the core lessons from Think Straight by Darius Foroux, we can incorporate several practices into our daily routines to enhance our cognitive processes and decision-making abilities. One significant step involves fostering a disciplined mindset, centered on clarity and productivity. To begin, we can prioritize mental clarity by engaging in self-reflection and journaling, thereby uncovering and addressing any negative or irrational thought patterns. By scrutinizing our thoughts and emotions, we gain insight into biases that may distort our judgment, fostering logical thinking and sound decision-making. Additionally, cultivating a growth mindset entails embracing challenges and reframing failures as opportunities for growth. This shift in perspective cultivates resilience and proactive problem-solving, contributing to more optimistic decision-making. Effective time management techniques, such as the Eisenhower matrix, aid in prioritizing tasks and allocating resources efficiently. By distinguishing urgent and important tasks from less critical ones, we minimize distractions and advance toward our goals methodically. Maintaining physical fitness through regular exercise enhances cognitive function, focus, and memory, bolstering our ability to think clearly. Building a supportive network of individuals fosters meaningful discourse and exposes us to diverse perspectives, broadening our thinking and informing decision-making. Incorporating mindfulness practices, like meditation and yoga, heightens self-awareness and emotional regulation, facilitating clear-headed problem-solving. Regularly reassessing goals to ensure alignment with values and purpose provides direction and informs decision-making in line with long-term aspirations. Finally, embracing a mindset of continuous learning through seeking new knowledge and experiences enriches our perspectives and equips us with informed decision-making tools. By adopting these practices inspired by Think Straight, we can navigate life's complexities with sharper minds, making more rational and well-considered decisions. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your comments, likes and shares are highly appreciated. See you soon in our next episode.